Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Paper Crafting Saturday. I'm Leslie Watkins. We're going to continue today with the 12 weeks of Christmas starting at 12:30. If you haven't registered already, you could probably make it into this week's class if you hurry. The information to register is on my Facebook page. Just click on the link. It's free, but it's a private classroom, and so if you'd like to join, I have to get your name so I can let you in. So check that out. Today, I'm going to give you a little preview of what we're going to be making. I'm going to be using this palette. So this is the Cherry Cobbler Evening Evergreen Soft Succulent Basic White. And then I've got a couple of pieces of DSP. So this piece is from the Texture Chic suite. And this is the one that has the beautiful gold foiling on one side. So that looks like that. And then I've selected this paper, and this one comes from the Boughs of Holly DSP, and this one has all the colors in it that I just mentioned. I also like this real red ruffled ribbon. It's called the Mini Ruffled Ribbon, and it's really cute. So it has this wonderful ruffled edge. And even though they have it listed as real red, I think it goes really nicely with the Cherry Cobbler as well, because it's sort of in between the two, which is nice. That means that you can use it and coordinate nicely with two different colors. So for those of you who don't know, the 12 weeks of Christmas is a series of short mini classes where I just show you one little project each week, and I'm doing that every Saturday right here live on Facebook at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to be continuing with this series until December 10th, which will give you plenty of time to make some really cute projects to decorate your packages, your note cards, gift tags, ornaments, all sorts of things. Today, what I'm going to be showing you is how to make a cute little portfolio like this. Well, something like this. It's not going to be exactly like this, but something like this that can hold some of your tags, or would make a very cute little gift folio to give somebody for Christmas or as a stocking stuffer. Now this is undecorated at this point. Later today we're going to be decorating one that is loosely based on this. So that's what today's project is going to be. If you're interested, click on the link to register, go through the registration process. You will have the option to be able to buy some supplies if you need them, but if you have things already, then that's fine. If you are interested in purchasing anything, please use the host code, okay? Because this is going to keep all the orders together in one place. And if you place an order of $50 or more, you'll also get a little gift from me. So that will be posted during the registration process as well. If you have any questions, go ahead and Facebook message me, and I will do my best to answer your questions. Today we're coming on to the 15th of the month, so we're right at the cusp. Today is the last day of the Watercolor Card Club for painting mistletoe, and tomorrow I'm going to be announcing the new subject, and it's going to what's the word? it's going to coordinate with the mistletoe. So this current month and the next month coming are going to be two coordinating projects. So when you get your watercolor card kit in the mail, you're going to have both card kits together in one. I think that and that link is also, I'll be posting the link to the Watercolor Card Club after the video in the description, so you'll be able to go right there. The Watercolor Card Club is a monthly subscription. You get a card kit each month, and you get a new subject to paint. We have a live Zoom class where we have Q&A, and you'll see a instructional video, and you'll have a chance to ask me questions, and I can critique your work. It's very interactive. There's also a private Facebook group where you can post your paintings and also see what everybody else is doing, and there's a load of resources there and other videos and so forth. So if you're interested in watercolor or painting with ink, even if you're just a beginner, please check that out. So I hope to see you in class in a little while. We're going to start promptly at 12:30. So if you have these materials to hand, bring them out so that you can follow along, and stay well, stay happy, stay creative, and I will see you next time.